Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself a bit tangled up in Figma and wondered, how do I actually add a new artboard, especially in the latest Figma 2025 update, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through adding an artboard, picking the perfect device template, and naming your frames so you can set up your design projects with total confidence. By the end of this video, you'll be breezing through new frames like a pro. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to add an artboard, but in Figma, these are actually called frames. Just a little terminology shift, but it's helpful to know. First, either select the frame tool in the left toolbar or simply press the F key on your keyboard. That's F for frame, an easy way to remember. You'll know you've got the right tool when your cursor changes and you see frame options appear along the right sidebar. Now, over in that right-hand panel, you'll notice a set of ready-made frame templates waiting for you. This is where Figma really shines. Instead of manually setting dimensions every time, you can pick from popular device sizes. Whether you're designing for an iPhone, an Android phone, a tablet, desktop, or even specialized sizes, there's a starter template here for pretty much any platform you could need. For example, if your project is a mobile app, just click on iPhone, and Figma will automatically create a frame with the correct dimensions. It saves you from hunting down pixel-perfect measurements and ensures you're working with industry-standard canvas sizes right from the beginning. Once you've picked the template that fits your project, let's say you're going for a desktop layout this time, all you need to do is click and drag that template onto your main design area. Take your time here. You can always move or resize the frame later if you change your mind. If you'd rather create a custom-sized frame, just click and drag anywhere on the canvas after selecting the frame tool. It's a bit like sketching out a page in your notebook. Figma gives you both the structure and the freedom. Now, with your new artboard sitting in your workspace, let's talk about naming it. This is one of those easy-to-skip steps, but trust me, it makes a huge difference as your project grows. Right over on the left, you'll see your frame pop up in the Layers panel, usually with a default name like Frame 1 or the preset's device name. To change that, just double-click directly on the frame's name and type in something more descriptive. For instance, you could call it Home Screen or Login Desktop, whatever helps you and your team stay organized. It keeps things tidy, especially if you end up with dozens of artboards in a single file. And there you have it. Adding and naming artboards or frames in Figma 2025 is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Take a minute to get comfortable with the templates, and remember, labeling your frames saves tons of headaches down the road. I hope this walkthrough made things clearer for you. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Figma questions or run into any snags. I always love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.